Welcome to Tradespoon. My name is Vlad Karpel. I'm founder and CEO of Tradespoon. And during our last session, we talked about earnings and how to structure your trades to take advantage of elevated implied volatility. But earnings season is over, and how do you find spikes in implied volatility? So let's look at the unusual option activities scanners we have on Tradespoon site. Let's take a look. So unusual options activity, what does it mean? You see a lot of information and a lot of buzz on the news. Unusual options activity meaning there is institutional trading happening in specific strike prices. Big hedge funds or wealth managers or big banks, they're hedging their position or they're initiating their new positions. So how do you find that occurrence? We developed options toolbox. So if you go to Tradespoon and look at the option toolbox, it gives you a set of scanners, tools that pinpoint trends and outliers to help you identify actionable option trading ideas. So if you're looking for options that have high implied volatility, if it has high unusual activity due to institutional buying, you can run Momentum Scanner, which gives you insight into which contracts institutional traders are buying or selling. The other scanner that we have is Unusual Option Scanner. It gives you high quality and actionable unusual options activity based on open interest and volume. If you look at the open interest and you look elevated volume compared to the open interest, then it means that somebody is either opening a new position or closing a new position in a specific strike price. The other tools we have is a size scanner. It displays essentially information about the largest block trades in real time at a glance. Block trades are orders submitted for sale or purchase that involve a large quantity of equity options. And total value scanner displays the largest premium span or collecting trade. So at Tradespoon, we developed 4 different scanners that you can use to basically see spikes in implied volatility or unusual activity in a specific strike prices for a specific expiration date. How can you take advantage of this information? Well, here's an example of an unusual option scanner and activity. So you can see on your screen stocks like WFT or Mankind, MNKD. So what this means is, let's look at the first record. MNKD, January 15, 2016 expiration, strike price 2 put. That means there is an unusually high bearish activity at that specific strike. Somebody is selling at the bid and unusually high volumes, and that means there is a high spikes in implied volatility. Sometimes you don't know if this is a new position or somebody's a closed position, so it is important to overlay this information with your directional bias for the stock. And you can do this by go to Tradespoon Bulls or look at the focus list or look at the seasonal chart at Tradespoon. Type in the sticker MNKD and see our scoring. If we are bearish on the stock and you also see unusual activity on the stock, that means it's a good opportunity to initiate your short position. So you want to align your unusual activity with your longer term bias based on Tradespoon activity and Tradespoon ranking. And this way you can now start trading as a large hedge fund. If you want to find out more information about unusual options activity, visit our webinars. We also have a library of training videos where we have recordings about unusual options activity. And as always, follow us on social media. Thank you.